Ebusia form mo bibia akwaba e de ba fela o fela so e wa Attention TV na so what Attention TV dia then they say we inspire you more ye inspire no na ensema e koso ye menga na han mo se ni abonten so eni mu entertainment ama ye de brewa ye ni jesema na ye de brewa unhu ye na ye wan sanso bro nyada ahamatan asanso aba papa paya hamatan yi nkofo ka ho asem na so ye hwe na wotwe ya itimu se bro nyai aba papa paya na fela wo fela so de e ma bro nya no so akoyi papa papa na ndi ohene yiri message edu e de nsem abetutu dwa o de fa ni Instagram page a wankasa o kai issue kakra bi aba na nse ye fa jacket red bia oni ni men's dua for production for kwa hye wo airport yes stay fi asha snega e kaka ho asem when no di post bi abeto Instagram o say hey ye de muntremu e bebro nsem bebre e ka we ho ana me Akosia Sparkles me de ebe sommo awo fela o fela eso na be ka wo say one of some asne e University Foundation and in Artist Boutique and Cosmetic me twa me ho e ba sisia Ebusia for na me da sa papa yes we nya bre e de twem ma me twa me ho tima ba kope e de e ba ye fela o fela esunye na me de munchiremu e de ebre wo dia ohene yiri mesi asie do enche bia na yete se oni ni men's dua production no akopie mu e wa Dubai go mko jomani ye holiday kakro mko di na we no de asada kese so e fa so de man production team eni obi bia wo bo a men's dua production na enimu ana maami bi ope ne ho asem na no se asem baga na ha etofom na ono de wa kebia enyo no ntino ode na no betutu mu e meye bruha bia ai ohini yire de on de wa kasa wo na on de asa de fo bi so e ma ni pe so be kasa ya na we ana ohini yire e be make or the post e be to Instagram na otra de wa se na azem otra na se warning and or the emoji or sreto ho say please don't comment about my last post. There's a post no one no mpajo e mo bia comment e bisa for ye nkoshe post on hene Messi asiedu eye o say e mo bia e comment e wo ho minisi kan chobi mi de fen chobi minya fe adona ye minsa Minyefo, I don't know yet, Mister. Oh, Henry, Nisi can chobi. Mehunya fen chobi. Eya do not dear to me. No, na ye, Mister. Me dear me ever. I don't know yet, Mister. Ebusia for me, did someone Casamu who post on Henry Messi asiedu eya o ka say ma obi bia en comment en fa ho na me ka say Jackie ne concert on ne papa eye e ba so kama ma ne ye fe ye hu artists ne celebrities be bro mo so mo ko grace program ebi me perform ye e ma fans so mo ko pie mo wase so budget so mo ka say Jackie, this is your first concert awye na so we dey why ade papa ye concert no e ko ye e ma no so ye fe papa na ye twaso so ana ye twaso akofa me ye ne world family ne onu nko ani kuro ni bebi a wote na boyi ana okopie mu e wadi etu ana one se wa amiye wo nsa ano ebisa question na wo we ano na we ne kopie mu bi ebisa ne se na family na usmoki o se ai na unum wi o se dabi na unum wi na usmoki no difference we ne bo ebusia for Ketienia family ankasa edituja.
Do you smoke?
Sadin me o de far your mama you understand?
I'll
consume it. That's what I'm saying.
Do you smoke?
Far your mama I go consume them.
I don't understand what that means. Do you smoke?
Okay. Which kind of smoking are you talking about?
So that would be my next question. Do you smoke?
So I'm asking you because I would like to know which type of smoking.
Do you smoke weed?
I don't smoke weed, but I take in weed.
How?
What the fry do you know, what the fry? Because
how do they mix weed with what?
No, weed in a wrap. You understand? And weed a haban and a cabbage a haban difference we are any.
Really?
Oh yeah. So what the fry, mommy, how do you see near that? Yeah, medicinal purposes. Mama is stable, kaka.
na ebusiafo me gidi say mo akasa mo te fa me ye o say ono de on smoke weed but o take weed on smoke here now we take the difference but na we na ye weed ana ekọ onipadua ni mu na eno ano no ebusiafo ye fa fela o fela so Eddie ama when they say a big congratulations ono so Eddie picture bi ebeto ni Instagram poster na o share match gown yeah graduation gown kita ne certificate or the beto ho no cho nyoma kakra bi Eddie go see during the lockdown in 2020 there were no performances for musicians, so I decided to study, and today I graduated with an HND in business and marketing management, music kakra, school kakra. Now to say yes sister Wendy Shea graduate kita HND in business. I just say Wendy Shea nurse and one or you is all your business woman. I mean is all no ka sabe managing the young tono or management ne nya dia ono anga no otimi pamo obi ase hey ese mi makonya certificate of business mun ko tnet na fio me am to no mu bia na me anga sama sese ehun sikase me ne hu nyama na me anga sama ye na ye de faso ama when the she a big congratulations papa say why ade ye timi sese so ko school no 1 year ndi 1 year pen odiko su ya sese ma me na achi no we school when they say near a big congratulations or fella so near the first so I'm a Ghana phone na Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year fella it was done for her and you